Imagine waking up in Britain during the 1970s. A cold morning, a tiny kitchen, and almost nothing to eat. For millions of working-class families, breakfast was not about enjoyment. It was about survival. The 1970s became one of the hardest economic periods in modern British history. Inflation was rising rapidly. Food prices increased month after month. Factories began shutting down across the country. Thousands of workers lost their jobs. Families suddenly struggled to afford basic meals. Even simple breakfast foods became difficult for poor households to buy. For many families, breakfast was only bread and tea. Some children ate dry toast with sugar sprinkled on top. Margarine replaced butter because it was cheaper. Milk was carefully rationed inside many homes. Eggs and bacon slowly became luxuries. Parents often sacrificed their own meals for their children. Many children went to school hungry. Cold homes made mornings even more difficult. Some apartments had peeling wallpaper, broken furniture, and very little heating. But despite the hardships, families stayed together. Worker strikes became common across Britain during the decade. Electricity shortages and economic uncertainty affected daily life. People worried constantly about money, food, and heating.
Subscribe for more forgotten stories from history.